Hello everybody, welcome to another SUT tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how you can increase the performance of your Windows 10 and 11 computers in a few minutes. All right, without further delay, let's just start with the video. Number one. So the number one step is to make sure your Windows is up to date. In order to check the Windows update, all you have to do is go into the search bar, type settings, and once you go into the setting, then you will have an option of Windows Update. Just click on Windows Update, right? And you, you can click on check for updates in order to check if there's any updates are pending. Alternatively, you have this option, get the latest updates as soon as they are available. If you um, turn this option on, then it will automatically detect if there are any updates available in your Windows. For this, your computer just need to be connected to the internet. So if we turn this on, then we don't need to check for updates manually all the time. All right, let's start with the step number two. So the next step is you have to make sure your computer has been restarted frequently. So in order to check that, go into the taskbar here. Just right click anywhere in the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Once you click on the Task Manager, make sure you click on the tab Performance, and under Performance, make sure the CPU option is highlighted. So here it is highlighted, and you can see the CPU utilization is 100%. So which means it will definitely impact the speed of my computer. And the reason for that is, as you can see, this uptime here, this uptime is 1 day, 14 minute, 14 hour, 18 minute, and 32 second. So this means I have not restarted my computer since 1 day, 14 hours. So what I might have done is I might have gone into the start button and then click on the power icon and then give it a shutdown or sleep, or simply I have just clicked I have just shut down my computer just clicking the power button, right? So what does the restart do? So restarting computer, basically it kills all the process that are running on the background, which will decrease the CPU utilization. So the ideal CPU utilization, it should be in between 10 to 15%. So just make sure you should restart your computer at least couple of times in a week, if possible once every day. So just give it a restart and you will see how it will impact the performance of your computer. So once you restart the computer, you can notice the memory utilization, it is 86% now. Once you restart, you will notice the memory utilization would be a bit lower as well. All right, number third step is to disable all startup apps. In order to disable the startup apps, all you have to do is right click on the task manager as well, go into the task manager, and then go into the startup apps here, right? And you will see a number of apps, they are enabled during the startups. So meaning whenever you restart or whenever you open your computer, so all these enabled apps, they start running from the backend, although you are not using it, right? So that will definitely impact the performance of your computer. So in order to increase the performance, what you can do, you can disable those startup apps. So for now, I'm just disabling the AnyDesk. I don't need Google Chrome. I don't need Display Fusion. I don't need this EFT one. I don't need this as well. 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 Microsoft Teams. I might need it because I want my Microsoft Teams to open as soon as I open my computer. Mobile device. I don't need it. Edge, I don't need it because I use Google Chrome. OneDrive, yeah, OneDrive, I will keep it enabled because I can see whether my files has been backed up or not. So that's disable. Yeah, Windows security health, there, that's important. So let's keep it. I don't use Skype at all, so I'm just gonna delete it. Terminal, it's already deleted, and then the update, yeah, just make it enabled. And web, I'm not sure what does it do, so I'll just disable it. So disabling these startup apps, it will definitely increase the performance of your computer. All right. So number five step is to adjust the visual effect in your computer. So in order to adjust that, you have to go into the search bar and then search for advanced um, system setting, right? And inside advanced system setting, you will see, sorry, advanced system setting. So inside advanced system setting, you will see this advanced tab here. Make sure it is highlighted in here. And then inside the performance tab, click on settings. And by default, the let window choose what's best for my computer is highlighted, right? So here, in order to increase the performance, you have to click on adjust for best performance and then click apply, click OK. You will realize the difference in the performance of computer once you do a restart. And you can see now, there's a little bit of change in the change in the icons, um, as well. So I'll just click performance, apply, and then click OK. All right. Now, number 6 step, and that's the last one as well. So you can turn off the notifications. So you will see, like, if you click on here, there's like the notification, it keeps buzzing up. What you can do, you can actually turn off the notifications. So in order to turn off the notifications, you have to go to settings again. And once you are in settings, so in the search bar inside the settings, just type notifications. You will see notifications and actions. So right now the notification is on here, right? And also, um, you have an option to manually turn off the notification for each of the apps, right? But right now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn off all of the notifications, right? So but if you want to turn off notifications manually, you have to turn this on first and then manually turn off the notifications for each of the apps that usually send notifications, right? But right now I'm just gonna turn it off so that I won't get any notification at all. All right. I hope you like the video. If you like, feel free to hit the like button. And if you want to subscribe my channel, just hit the subscribe icon for more videos like this. And if you have any comment, please feel free to comment below. And if you have any other steps to make the Windows 11 faster, feel free to comment down as well. Thank you. Have a lovely day.